As the world's leading supplier of equipment and services to the global cement and minerals industries, FLSmidth has employees in more than 50 countries. The company supplies everything from single machinery to complete cement plants, even minerals processing facilities, with services before, during, and after construction. FLSmidth's in-house engineers develop, plan, design, install, and service equipment.
With our control systems, we engineer them here in our design centers for projects around the world. In the cement industry, it's typically in cement processing facilities. In the minerals industry, it goes into a variety of facilities that process some of our key target markets, such as copper, gold, phosphate, and many others.
When FLSmidth began evaluating some of their intrinsically safe applications and considering who they would want to partner with to keep those projects on cost, on time, and on spec, Phoenix Contact was at the top of their list.
As we looked into the products, we've had a lot of good history with other applications with Phoenix Contact, and when we got into it, just the amount of support that we could get and the amount of technical information that was available to support our applications, that really sealed the deal for us that Phoenix was the right company to work with on these applications.
Routinely installing equipment in classified locations brings an extra layer of complexity to their mission, but FLSmidth's engineers put their confidence in products like Phoenix Contact's MAX MCR-EX isolators for high signal flexibility with safe isolation and consistent SIL certification.
Some of FLSmidth's equipment, primarily our combustion equipment, gets located in classified areas and facilities. Especially that combustion equipment also requires safety control systems with them. And the combination of the intrinsically safe product that had safety ratings really fit well with our burner management system.
Phoenix Contact products are designed to help companies like FLSmidth operate easily around the world in a wide range of applications.
We engineer control systems for projects all over the world, and the fact that the Phoenix intrinsically safe barriers have certifications internationally means that we don't have to re-engineer our solutions when we do these global projects.
FLSmidth and Phoenix Contact, a partnership with global reach, built on confidence.